sorry about the lighting, but today we're gonna do a slime review. So I made this slime at my friend Caroline's house. Sorry about the AC in the background, but it's a fluffy slime. And this is the slime. I'm gonna see if I can fix the lighting. Okay, hopefully that's better, but yeah. So this is the slime. I love this slime. And then my friend Caroline, she made a pink and white slime, and it just turned out a very cutesy light pink. So yeah, I really love this slime because this lighting is crazy. I have like a light down there that I just bought for like these videos, but yeah. The color of the slime is kind of like my shirt. But yeah, this doesn't stick to like anything. Well, it does, but it doesn't. But yeah. And she gave me this jar for it. I feel like it would be called like, it's a bluish purple, so I feel like it would be called burble slime. I don't know, but yeah, that was it for today's slime review. So bye guys, peace out. I hope you enjoyed this short little video.